again guys, and thanks for joining me for another taste test video. So, the Reinas are back. We've just received another allocation and I've taken the opportunity to sample another one because they are such superb cigars. Often some Cuban cigars may be better after a month or two resting, not all, some. But I find these are really good fresh out of the box. So straight away you'll notice it's a bit of an unusual size for cigars in today's market. It's a lot longer and thinner than most cigars. It's 7.5 inch by 38 ring gauge. This is a very difficult size to roll, actually, surprisingly. Because of the thin ring gauge, it can be more likely to be plugged or something like that. So all of these cigars have been rolled at the world famous El Laguito factory. So you are assured a perfect burn and draw. They are stunning things. It's a very elegant size. Once you're enjoying one, you really get a feel for what makes this size special. It is said to have been one of Castro's favourite sizes as well. And I think there's Zeno Davidoff, so there's some big names in the cigar industry. But more importantly, what does it taste like? So instantly you have those light Cuban flavours, very earthy, very sort of mild and complex. There's a lot going on. But as it's an El Rey, you get a nice little tang to it as well. Straight away though, the first puff or two is extremely peppery. Once you have that first puff, I suddenly thought, am I going to enjoy this? This is slightly too much for me. But instantly, it's weird, it drops away completely. And in the next few, sort of the first third, you've almost got no pepper at all, apart from on that first puff. But it does, this is my second one, so I'm speaking from the first one's experience. It does pick back up at about the second, third point, but it's more on the finish of the cigar. So it's not punching you in the tongue straight away like that first puff, which can almost put you off the cigar if I'm honest. But as I said, fades away to those lovely earthy Cuban flavours with a nice little tang. And as this is a light strength cigar, you're not being blasted with your palate. You can experience a lot of that complexity and that development as the length of the cigar goes down. Really is a phenomenal cigar. And as I said, we are on our, it must be our final allocation of these, and there's only a few boxes remaining. So if you are wanting to try some, I'd really recommend grabbing a box, because that price is going to go up. They're going to become extremely rare, and I can tell you they're going to be very desirable. I think 6 months is going to do wonders to this cigar. That first initial spice may just fade off a bit. So grab a box now, because they won't be available in 6 months' time. But yeah, head to cigars.com. We always get the biggest allocation. We have the most stocks of those rare cigars, and this is one of those UK regional editions, so they are limited availability. Once they are gone, they are gone. Best price, best service, best storage, all at C.Gars. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. This is my favourite regional since the 2012 Ramon Allones Petit Bellicoso, so let me know what your favourite regional as well. I'd love to hear it. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.